Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be cleaning out my refrigerator, which it really needs to be done. Here in just a moment I will show you the inside of it and you know, like a before. But before we do that, definitely go down and hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and definitely go over and follow me on Instagram. And of course, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, definitely go and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, which by the way is Thursdays, just so you know. But yeah, let's just get on into cleaning this nasty fridge. Okay, so this is the inside of my fridge and what it looks like. Honestly, it looks relatively clean. It's obviously very, very empty. But don't worry, I just cleaned out all of the spoiled food, anything that was bad, except for in the doors. I do need to go through that in this video because I want to take out all of these shelves and clean them as well. But as you can see down here, I don't know, something spilt and like literally got all over everything. You can see that it like, the lighting in this thing is so horrible. But yeah, it's just really dirty and needs a good, healthy cleaning. And that is what we are going to do today. Okay, now that I have showed you the inside of the refrigerator, the, before, yeah, let's just get this clean so that I can have a nice clean fridge for when I go to the store tomorrow and put all the nice fresh food in it. Which I'm excited to have a nice clean fridge to put fresh food in. So yeah, let's just get on into this video.
Baby, without wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without.
Oh, would you call me on my sins? You think that you're
So all of the shelves in the door are empty. I am sorry, I started pulling stuff from this shelf here and then realized that my camera wasn't even pointing at that shelf, and I'm really sorry about that. But I have anything that I'm keeping, I've added here and here, and I will put them away once I have cleaned them.
can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up and this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. Cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time. Yeah, but they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and come from. I don't, but you seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time. I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home alone. I wanna go home. Some
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect. Acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu.
I just want to jump in here real quick and just let you know that I did just wash these shelves, and I unfortunately forgot to push the record button, so yeah. But now I'm going to dry them and put them back into the fridge.
I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign, give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign, baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me.
Okay, friends, so I have everything cleaned now. It's just been a day today. I kept forgetting to film things. I had to like redo things because I forgot to push the record button. I am just having a horrible time today. So the last thing I did do was, let me show you real quick, and then I'll tell you. I'll tell you while I show you. I did clean the front of my refrigerator. Unfortunately, I did not record it, which is very frustrating. But that is all nice and clean. And I will then show you the inside of the fridge. So this is all clean and nicely decluttered, much better than it was before. And then this is my very, very bare refrigerator. Like I said, tomorrow it'll be full. I am going to the grocery store. This is just end of the payday or end of the pay period refrigerator. So yeah, but it is nice and clean inside. And the drawers are nice and clean. I got that spill cleaned up, so it's looking fantastic. But yeah, so that is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I am sorry if there are like little bits and pieces missing because I forgot to push record. But yeah, I really do hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna go now and edit this video so I can have it up for you tomorrow. And I really hope again that you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!